Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm here to show you guys the Osburn 1700 wood stove. Now the Osburn 1700 model is one of the smaller models. As you can see here, like the height on me is literally below hip level, versus this is the Osburn 3500 right behind me, so you can see that it's much higher. This model does have the nice black ceramic glass on the ash lip, which makes it nice and easy to keep clean. These are going to be shown with the cast iron curved legs, which makes the stove look much more traditional. So primarily the Osburn stoves are going to be steel stoves, however the legs and the door will be cast iron. This is shown in all black. You can also get nickel finish on the door and the legs as well. Inside the firebox is going to be fully gasketed, standard size fire brick as common on all Osburn wood stoves. You do have the reburn tubes and the baffle system located at the top of the stove. This model is going to be a standard 6-inch flue located on the top of the stove. Most of the stove here is going to be a flat top, which is about like the first half portion of the stove. So if you wanted to do some type of stovetop cooking with a smaller pan, soup pan, or maybe even a small skillet, you should be able to fit that in no problem. And then at the back of the stove, you do have the step up, which gives you that nice convection air. So this model is going to be EPA 2020 certified, which meets all the requirements for installation, but unfortunately it does not meet the tax credit approval. This is the Osburn 1700. If you guys enjoy my videos, please don't forget, give them a quick thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.